So over here, you can see that I got these video footages right here. And for the video footage voiceover, I also have the scripts for it. So let's say what I want is I want different voice for different script right here, that is different scene. In that case, you can actually go around onto that scene and generate the voiceover and choose the voiceover that you want for that particular scene. So let me just press the play button right here.
The voice you select makes a difference in how...
And that is what you have. Let me just go ahead and click on select and insert it into the timeline right here, just like this. So once I go ahead and do that, this particular voice is inserted. And if I were to go around over here and press the play button.
Eat healthy and eat well.
That is what you have. So now let's say for this footage, I want another voiceover. So let me just generate the voiceover. And now this time I'm going to choose another voice right here, just like this. Let me just press the play button to hear how it sounds.
The voice you select makes...
That is what you have. Let's just go ahead and select it and now insert it into the timeline right here. And then you got a different voice for this one. So you can place this wherever you want right here. So let's just press the play button.
Eat foods which are delicious and healthy.
So that is what you have. And if I were to go around over here.
Eat healthy and eat well.
And now for this one, let's say I want to record myself. So I'm just going to go around over here. And then I'm going to say choose from variety of options every day. So I'm just going to record myself. And then I'm going to choose voiceover and start the recording. So there's the countdown. Choose from variety of options every day. So I can preview it. Choose from variety and then insert it out as I want. And now I got a multi-voice narration, as you can see right here. Choose from variety of options every day. And then this one.
Eat foods which are delicious and healthy.
And then this one.
Eat healthy and eat well.
And that is what you have. And that is how you can go ahead and create out a multi-speaker scene right here. And you can also go ahead and then bring all of these clips together, as you can see right here, just like this, to actually go ahead and make it feel like they are all speaking together as well. Choose from variety of options every day.
Eat healthy and eat well.
Eat foods which are delicious and healthy.
And that is what you have. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the script to generate voice, even record yourself and create a multi-speaker scenes as you need in Google Vids. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.